Hello, today I would like to show you how to bake an unusual, funny and very delicious turtle cake. Mix the flour, egg and sugar together. Add vinegar to a teaspoon of soda and mix it in. Use a teaspoon to put out the blobs of the mixture onto the tray. Bake for 6 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let them cool down. Don't forget to make a bit of long blobs for the head and feet. For the cream, mix the sour cream and sugar. Then dip the blobs into the cream and shape it out like a turtle. For the icing, mix the ingredients together and boil for 2 minutes. Bon appétit!